My name's Samantha Stanisek. I am a senior account manager at United Scrap Metal. I currently am in charge of retaining customers and helping manage team members. We are a scrap recycler that have been in business for over 40 years. We currently operate at 6 locations in the U.S., and we have over 500 team members and 6,000 customers. In 2021, we recycled over 400 million pounds of non-ferrous and 500 million pounds of ferrous. United Scrap Metal was started in 1978 by Marcia Serlin with $200 and a rent-a-truck. Each year, we host a recycling event in partnership with Ronald McDonald House Charities. In 2021, we were able to line with our customers and host it at 6 of our customer locations. At this event, we were able to have our customers participate and volunteer and even help raise funds of over $100,000 for Ronald McDonald House Charities across all 6 of the United Scrap Metal locations.
I'm Amy Erin Burchell. I've been with United Scrap Metal for over 8 years, and I've always been on the new business side at United. I'm a 3rd generation member of the manufacturing community. My grandpa was a master mechanic, and my dad is still a part of the Illinois manufacturing space to this day. I'm really proud to be a part of the industry, but in a different narrative, being a part of the solution side for manufacturing companies. But growing up in a household with manufacturing is given me a better perspective of what our TMA members go through on a daily basis. I understand the commitment that being a part of this industry takes and what it does and your whole fabric of your family's life and what an impact it can have for many generations to come. I think that TMA is really special in that regard. You see so many of the customers having that 2nd generation or 3rd generation connection, and I'm proud to be one of them as well. So United specializes in comprehensive and innovative recycling solutions for all of our customers. We're a women-owned scrap metal company that is focused on making a positive impact in the lives of others.
I'm Katie Todd, and I'm an account manager at United Scrap Metal. The TMA is a place where you can go to meet like-minded individuals, gain new perspectives, and to socialize. And if I end up running into any of my customers along the way, or even meeting someone who's in need of a scrap vendor, it's just an added bonus.
Now more than ever, the focus of sustainability in society and in manufacturing is very real. United Scrap Metal is ready, and we are here to answer any questions that our customers have about their sustainability goals.